Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to all of you once again to the physics classes. Dear students, we were talking about NEET and JEE topics. In that today again we are going to begin with the new topic, new chapter, that is semiconductor electronics. Already we have discussed about the synopsis part, maybe the formulations, the formulas related to the semiconducting devices and electronics, and maybe the theory part, whatever it is. So, most of the conceptual questions you can expect here, as well as again the circuit diagrams oriented questions and the formula related to the circuit diagrams, that how to solve such questions you are going to get here. Now, we are going to begin with the first question of semiconductor electronics. Yes. So, you can see on the screen, for a p-type semiconductor, which of the following statement is true? Now, before p-type means we must know that what is p-type. P-type means positive charges are more, okay, that is holes are more, and which is doped because of the doped from trivalent material, trivalent impurities, okay. Now, the first option we will see, electrons are the majority charge carriers and pentavalent atoms are dopants. No, it is not true, because it is p-type means positive charge, that is not electrons, so that is wrong. Next, electrons are the majority charge carriers. No, that is also not true, because holes are the majority carriers in the p-type. Now, holes are the majority charge carriers. The option C seems right. Let's see the option full, what it says. Holes are the majority charge carriers and trivalent atoms are the dopants. That is right. Let's see. Next, that is holes are the majority carriers and pentavalent atoms are the dopants. No, pentavalent means one more extra electron we are going to get. This is not true. So, that holes are the majority charge carriers and the trivalent atoms are the dopants. This is what the answer is. Now, we will move on to the next question. Yes. So, the correct Boolean operation represented by the circuit diagram drawn is correct Boolean algebra, that is nothing but for which circuit it is. Now, you have to see that you have to give the values for all the thing, and you have to see that A, B, 0 or 1, 0 or 1. 0 means nothing is going to, that switch is open. 1 means it is closed. So, plus 6 volt it will comes and glows the LED. LED is output. Let us see, already we are going to write down in this way, isn't it? Always. So, A, B and Y 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, isn't it? In this way, 0, 1, 10, 11. So, simple to remember for you, okay. So, next, now both 0 is given, okay, 0 means both are open. Both are open means this current won't flow here, both are open, it will come here and it will go, LED will glow. There is one you are going to get. Now, 0 and 1, A is given 0, it is open, but this is closed. Current will come from this, it is open, it won't go, so current will go from this and it is going to. So, what happens? It goes and glows here, that is nothing but you will get this, right? You will get the value here. Now, next, 1 and 0, this is closed, 1 and 0, this is open. Current may come here, but it won't go here, so that current flows from here and you are going to get the value, that is 1. Now, next what happens is both are 1 and 1. This is also closed, this is also closed. Current will come from the easier path. Always current will choose the easiest path. LED means a little bit resistance is there. So all the current, this is just like a wire, all the current will glow here. So LED won't glow. Okay. So this is the value you are going to get, that is 1 1 1, and which one is for that? Okay. So AB if you do means how much you are going to get? AB means AND gate. No, AB means AND gate, that is 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. But the reciprocal, I mean the reverse of this is there. No, the answer is, so it is AB bar actually, isn't it? It is actually AB bar. AB bar means it is the NAND gate. AB bar means it is NAND gate. So this represents the NAND gate, isn't it? Okay, answer is D. Go to the next question. An LED is constructed from a PN junction diode using gallium arsenide phosphate. The energy gap is 1.9 eV. The wavelength of light emitted will be equal to, if that gap is there means what is the wavelength. So we know that H is equal to H nu is nothing but C by lambda. So we have to find out the wavelength, that is nothing but H and C divided by E. E know that, E we know. So HC will be in joules you are going to get. Okay, because nanometer you have to get or meter you have to get, that is in terms of SI units. Now energy is given in terms of EV. Energy is given in terms of EV. So that will be in joules, this is in terms of EV. So this you have to convert into EV. So that EV cancels and you have to write down. So what is H? H is nothing but 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 into C is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by, this will be in joules you are going to get. The joules will be converted into EV is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So this is fixed for all. Okay. In terms of it is EV divided by E you have to write down, that is 1.9 EV. So together you are going to get in terms of meter. So this is very important, you have to remember. So no need to do all those things. If you write down means, if you do this means 21.42 into 10 to the power minus 7 you are going to get divided by 1.9 into EV. Like that you are going to get 12.41 you are going to get 12.41 you are going to get 12.4125 into 10 to the power minus 7 EV you are going to get divided by this. So it is 124, it I can write down nearly 20 to 20. So how much? Nearly 600, isn't it? This is 120, this is 20. So nearly 600. Now nearly 600 there are 3 are there, no? Okay, so it is very easy that 600, 600, 654. So no need to do that, you will get 654 only, because in terms of 600. Now you have to see that, okay, powers. 10 to the power 7 means here actually 1 we have shifted, no? 7, 8. So it is 9 you may get nearly. So that is what 653.1 nanometer you are going to get, because I said it is not 654, it is not 654, it we have got that 6 times, no? Sorry, 124, that is 6 times, no? So minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 you are going to get. So 654 nanometer will be the right answer. Okay. So that is the thing. Go to the next question, that is we are going to study another equation from the logic gates. All the Boolean algebra you know, I guess. the formulas. You must remember, rather than remembering, how to apply that concept. That is very important for you. Okay, how I can apply that concept, that is very important to you. Okay, now the question says that in the combination of the following gates, the output Y can be written in terms of inputs A and B. See, this is a constant circuit. Okay, a constant circuit you may get anywhere. Okay, so now actually it is for AB bar plus A bar B, that equation. Now what you are going to get, here it is B bar you are going to get, here it is A you are going to get for first, and that is AND gate, not OR gate. So what you are going to get first, A dot B, but it is B bar you are going to get, A B bar here. Next year, because of this, A bar and B you are going to get, A bar and B, because it is AND gate. And this output once here 1 year it will be OR, means it became OR, it is added, B bar plus A bar B added. No, that is, if suppose not is there here, so it will be bar of that. No, you can evaluate by using some other equations, some other all Boolean algebra, A plus B whole bar, which is equal to, isn't it? But this is A plus A is there, no? This is same, I will take it as A, I will take it as A. A plus A bar, what you are going to get? Like that and all. So that is formulas we know. Okay, go through it once again for that. Now as of now, from easily we can make out this. Now what happens once you will see the circuit, your mind, what happens, you are thinking that, oh, this circuit, how I can solve. See, this is repeated for, this is came for the earlier exams 2018 NEET. Okay, easy it is, but you have to work out, you have to go through such kind of questions. So answer is A dot B bar and A bar B. Now next we are going to talk about one more thing, one more question. There is nothing but, in a PN junction diode, change in the temperature due to heating, change in the temperature due to heating affects only reverse resistance, affects only forward resistance, does not affect resistance of PN junction. Okay, and affects the overall VI characteristics of the PN junction. Now tell me the answer for this question. Again, it is repeated in the case of, okay, so what happens if you are going to heat? See, diode is just nothing but a wire. Okay, mark will be like this. I hope this we have discussed. P type, N type, all those things, positive, negative, all those things. Okay, means in the forward bias it's just like a conductor. In the reverse bias it acts as if like a resistance. In the forward bias only for we are using for the rectifiers and all. Now in a PN junction diode, change in the temperature means everything changes. No, current is also increases, potential, barrier potential decreases because of the temperature is enough capable to move out the valence electron to the conduction band, so that extra charges we are going to get. So it affects the overall VI characteristics of the junction diode, overall characteristics of the junction diode. That seems better than that of the all those the equations. Now next we are going to talk about, that is, the given electrical network is equivalent to, the given electrical network is equivalent to. Before going to this, once again I am going to tell you the equations. No, once again I am going to tell you the equation. Now what happens? A plus A if you do means what happens? Okay, now A dot A if you do means what happens? Okay, now A plus, that you can also write down. So A plus B and A dot B. Okay, so A plus A means A itself, A dot A means A itself. Okay, that is the thing. Next, several equations are there, that is 0 plus A. It is 0, A may be 0, A0 means 0 itself, means 0 means A only, no. Now A is become 1 means A itself. Now I can write down 0 dot A means AND gate. If it is 0 means 0 itself. If it is 1 means also 0 itself, no. Like this. A means either 1, either 0, either 1, either 0. Like this. Whatever the value it comes. Okay. So this is the thing. Now 0 plus A is done. 1 plus. Now 1 plus A I am going to write down. 1 dot A I am going to write down. 1 plus A0 means A0 means 1 only. A1 means 1 only. So A dot B, no, here if A is 0, 1 dot 0 is A is 0 means here A you are going to get. A is 1 means 1 you are going to get. 1 means A is 1, no. Like that formula. Got? Like this. Once again I can tell you. Now if it is, I have to, if it is 0, 0 and 0 is 0 means A was 0, no, A I can write down. Okay, like that. So this is the formula you should know. Now I have to apply the formulas there and I have to get the equations. So I'll erase this. You should know this. Now how we can write down A and B? This is OR. No, A plus B you are going to get and bar of that because this not is there. Now those are given for both again means A plus B and A plus B you are going to get bar. A plus B plus A plus B bar. Bar you are going to get here, but it comes as a whole bar. Later again reverse of that. Now first we will calculate this. A and A bar plus A bar. That is nothing but A bar plus A bar, A plus B, or I can say A plus B bar, which is equal to A dot B, isn't it? A plus B or A plus A, because both are same, no? A plus A is nothing but A plus A is nothing but A dot A dot A dot A, like this. So this I have done already, one bar is there here, okay, bar of this. So A dot A is nothing but once again, what is the value you can say? That is from the equations you can make out, that is okay. So next question we are going to see, that is the given graph represents VI characteristics of a semiconductor device. Which of the following statement is correct? Now VI characteristics are given. This is the voltage and point A, this is the current, that is point B. Okay, now for what it is again appeared in the case of NEET 2014. It is VI characteristic of a solar cell where point A represents open circuit voltage and point B short circuit current. Point A represents open circuit voltage. Seems correct. Let's see next. It is first we have to see that is VI characteristic of a semiconductor device. Maybe it is rectifier, maybe it is diode, maybe it is Zener diode. So which VI character it looks like? It is nothing but solar cell VI characters. It is not the diode, it is not the rectifier, right? So solar cell and solar cell, it tells two options, tells about the solar cell. The third option it tells about the photodiode, and fourth option it tells about the LED, which are not correct. So 50% of the effort gone there. No need to see that. No, only A and B you have to see now. Now let's see B. It is a solar cell and point A and B represent open circuit voltage and open circuit current respectively. No. So no, it is not like that. For a solar cell, what we are discussing at the first, it is charging means it is in the open circuit. No, all the charges will store and open circuit voltage going to increase as soon as you are going to connect the short circuit, we can say. No, short circuit current flows through it. So the current will be short circuit current. It is not like that there is no open circuit current in the case of solar cell. Okay, so remember, so the option A will be the right option. We will go to the next question in such a way that the barrier potential of a PN junction depends on. The barrier potential of a PN junction depends on. Again 2014 NEET, this is a question we have got. Barrier potential means what? So the positive charge junction is their P junction, the negative charge junction is the N junction, which is going to, you are going to fuse means PN junction takes place. PN junction takes place. Now the immobile charge carriers you are going to get nearer to the junction, immobile charge carriers you are going to get nearer to the junction, and because of this barrier potential you are going to get, you will get some barrier potential. Now you are getting that barrier potential means this charges does not going to flow or cross if it is not connected in the forward bias or reverse bias. Now that potential barrier, on what it is depends? Type of semiconductor material, yes, of course it depends on type of semiconductor material. Amount of doping, yes, it is depends on amount of doping, and it depends on, even in the case of it depends on temperature, yes, exactly, it depends on temperature, amount of doping as well as amount type of semiconductor material. Now which one of the following is correct? Now all are correct only, right? So 1, 2, 3 are correct. It depends on temperature also, it depends on doping also, it depends on amount of type of semiconductors also. Okay, so that is the thing. Again and again I am going to tell you that, go to the theory part again and again, study that neatly. In the following circuit, what are P and Q? If you are not, you can't see the circuit means I can draw it here. It is a NOR gate. It is a NOR gate. Okay. So this is P, this is Q, so this is 1 they have given and this is 0 they have given. Okay, now the output of this comes here, the output of this comes here. Now NOR gate means how much? How the table, truth table will be AB bar, no, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For computer students it is very easy, right? They are already studying this, so easily they can solve this problem. Now for 0 and 0 means 0 but it is 1 because AB bar. For this I am writing, or general I am writing, 0 1 means it is 0 but it is 1 because AB bar. 1 0 means it is 0 but it is 1 because AB bar, and 1 1 means 1 but it is 0. The meaning is the input of any one is 0 till their output will be 1. No, that is for the NOR gate. For the NOR gate, if any input is 0 means you are going to get maximum output, but both of the inputs are high means you are getting low output. Now if you consider this NOR gate, one of the input is 0 itself, means all these three conditions suits, so it must be 1 only, whether it is 0 or whether it is 1, it doesn't matter for us, it doesn't matter for us, it must be 1 itself because it is already 0 itself. So this we are not going to get, both we are not making it 0, it is 0 only we are going to keep. So we are going to get 1. So Q we are going to get as 1, and this 1 travels here and goes here. So 1, again 1 we are going to keep it fixed here. Okay, so 1 and 1 we are going to get, 1 and 1 is 1 itself but it is 0 because it is AB bar. So we are going to get P is equal to 0. Now while saying, okay, just concentrate and exactly listen. Okay, that is important, that is very very important. And listen the concepts, read the Boolean algebra, very very important. Definitely one question will be comes from the Boolean algebra. This is all Boolean, this is truth table, but Boolean algebra is this a b bar, a plus b, all those things. Already in the synopsis we are going to discuss the formulas as well as here also. So clearly go through it, which is very very important, so that you can solve it and all. Okay, so that's why it is KCET task come. Now if you don't know idea means this seems very difficult question for you. Okay, if you have the idea means it is very easy. Now what you have to do, again and again solve the problems, you will get the idea. Okay, similar problems only you are going to get. That's why kindly solve the problems again and again, repeatedly solve the problems, you will get the ideas. Okay, this is what about these questions. We are going for the next question.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.